Hey, thanks for watching this short video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a 10% discount automatically applied to any product you purchase from the FlyBird Fitness website. So the first thing you want to do in order to activate that 10% coupon is you want to click the link below this video that will activate that coupon. That link is couponqueso.com/FlyBird. I'll leave it right below this video just so that it's easy for you to click it and it'll automatically take that 10% discount at checkout, and I'll walk you through that. So I already have it here in my browser, couponqueso.com/FlyBird. I'll go ahead and hit enter, and that's going to direct me over to the FlyBird Fitness website where I'm going to select just a random product. I'll go to the weight benches, click on that, and I'm going to select the Pro Bench here. And the Pro Bench at the moment is $299.99. I'm going to go ahead and click buy it now, and we'll see that the 10% discount will automatically be applied at the checkout screen. And there it is. There's a discount there. As you see, it went from $299.99. You get that 10% discount, which is $29.99. So now the cost of the bench is $270. So as easy as that, just click the link below this video. That link is couponqueso.com/FlyBird. Once you get to checkout, you'll see that 10% discount automatically applied. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the savings.